Hey guys, if you have been following Drinks and Destinations, you know that I recently attended an American whiskey masterclass online conducted by USDA, where we tasted 4 different styles of American whiskeys. What you may not know is that September is the National Bourbon Heritage Month celebrated across the United States. So I decided to do this short introductory video on understanding American whiskeys and followed by a tasting of this unique American bourbon whiskey. There are many other styles of whiskeys that are produced in America, not just bourbon, but there are Tennessee rye whiskeys, corn whiskeys, wheat whiskeys, but nothing comes close to the popularity of bourbon whiskey. With 200 years of history, there is so much to explore about bourbon, but the first and the most important aspect to know is what is bourbon. Bourbon is the whiskey produced in the United States. Bourbon should have 51% corn and rest of the ingredient could be rye, malted barley and etc. Bourbon has to be aged in new charred oak and the minimum of aging required for a straight bourbon is 2 years. What really makes bourbon different from Scotch whisky? While bourbon has to be produced in the United States, Scotch whisky has to be produced in Scotland. While bourbon has to be made from 51% corn, Scotch whisky uses malted barley. While bourbon whisky is aged in new charred American oak barrels, Scotch whisky is aged in bourbon casks. While American whisky has to be aged for minimum 2 years to be called straight bourbon, Scotch whisky has to be aged for minimum 3 years. Some of the popular American whiskies available in India are Jack Daniels, Jim Beam, Mistress, Maker's Mark, Buffalo Trace and Woodford Reserve. So how to taste an American whiskey, especially bourbon? I have a bottle of Maker's Mark that we are going to taste today, which is the Kentucky Straight Bourbon, which means that the minimum age required is 2 years, and in this case this is 6 years aged in new charred oak. Thanks to its founders, Rob Samuel, who was a Scot-Irish, Maker's Mark happens to be the only bourbon without an E in the whiskey. Maker's Mark has 70% corn, rest is a red winter wheat and malted barley. With 45% ABV, this makes for a very interesting whiskey to try out. So let's just taste it and see. Because bourbon is made with a large portion of corn, the spirit usually has large amount of sweetness on the nose. And when you look at the color, it usually goes from light to mostly rich amber. And since this is an aged whiskey, aged bourbon, so you see the color, it's deep amber. On the nose, there's a lot of rich fruity aromas. You also get vanilla and sweet spices. On the palate, very smooth but quite rich in terms of the texture in your palate, very well balanced with a lot of these interesting fruit and prunes, vanilla, toasty oak notes, honey, and that just finishes very nicely with a lingering effect of toasty vanilla notes. This is definitely a great whiskey. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment and tell us what you liked in the video, whether you like American whiskeys or which is your favorite American whiskey. Keep following Drinks and Destinations for more such updates. Until next time, cheers.